Hello, Sweathearts. Welcome to tutorial 4, You Can't Stop the Beat from the Broadway musical Hairspray. Let's get started. This number is super fun and it repeats over and over and over. We actually do the whole verse and chorus 5 times with a couple little surprises in there. But we'll show the first one. The first 2 times through is the same choreography, with just a couple little differences, but I'll keep adding on as we get going. So we're going to start here just with a nice little step touch as that intro music comes on. It's all about the performance. It's all about not stopping the beat. Good. We're going to start here with the right foot. It's going to go cross, open, cross, cross, in. Slow, slow, quick, quick, in. Opposition arms. Cross, cross, quick, quick, up. 1, 2, quick, quick, up. 1, 2, quick, quick, up. 1, 2, quick, quick, up. Let's see that face in the front. Here we go. 1, 2, quick, quick, up. 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 Next, after here, we go tap, 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 tap. And the hands go snap, 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 snap. Then we shake the hands and we go quick feet. Quick, 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 quick. So we just finished. Pa, pa. This is the 4th one. We go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Quick, 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 quick. Let's see that face in the front. We just did our second one. Pa. This is the 4th. Ta, ta, up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Quick, 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 quick. Next, we have 2 steps to the right. We go hip, hip, head, head. Come back center. Then we go left. Hip, hip, head, head. Arms are out, out, head, head, out, out, head, head. Then we take it up. Out, 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 out. And we drop that right hip. Hip, 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 hip. And then we run back 1, 2, 3, 4. And the arms are going to come up. It's a lot of choreography, but it repeats a lot. So from here, we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 to the mirror. Right, left, right, left. Hip, 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 hip. Run, 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 run. Good. We just ran back. 4, 3, 2, 1. Now we're going to pony. Pony, 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 pony. So whatever foot you're down on, that same arm is down. Ta, 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 ta. Then we go. A little groove here. We go to the right first. We go. Start right. We take it over to the left. We pull in that right foot. Here. Back over to the right, pull in that left foot here, and back into the right, and pull and down. Easier facing the front. So, weaves them back. 4, 3, 2, 1. We pony, 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 pony. 4 more. 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Arm goes 5. Hand goes 6. We go 7, 8. So we're going arm, arm, in, halfway in, ta, ta, in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Next we have swing, swing, swing around. Just with a little hip, ta, ta, swing, swing, ta, ta, swing, swing, ta, ta. The only difference in the second time through is we're going to pick up the foot. So we're going to swing, swing, and pull, swing, swing, and pull. So I'll show both ways facing the front. Verse 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Verse 2, 3, 4, and 5 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You can add the head. Ta, 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 ta. Then we have a swing. Right arm, left arm, behind, behind. and we're rocking and rocking. Ta, ta. Nice 50s vibe there, 50s, 60s. We go. Pa, 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 pa. Da, 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 da. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Moving on. Chassé, back step, chassé, back step. So 1 and 2, back, and 1 and 2, back. And the arms are just going cutesy and back, cutesy and back. Pa, pa, ta, 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 ta. So we have 4 of those. We just did 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We go. 1, 2, back. 1, 2, back. Back. 4 claps on the 2, 4, 6, and 8. We go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. After those claps, we start right back in from the beginning with that cross step. The second verse is the same, but we're going to jump now to the third verse. A little different. We go cross, cross, and then the feet go cross, jump, in. 1, 2, quick out, in. 1, 2, quick out, in. The hands are same 1, 2, and then here they cross, we jump out, and out, we jump in, and we come in, and we're holding a ball there. 1, 2, cross out, in. 1, 2, cross out, in. 1, 2, cross out, in. Cross out, in. Face the front. This is third verse, fourth verse. We go. 1, 2, ta, ta, ta. 1, 2, ta, ta. 1, 2, ta, ta. 1, 2, ta, ta. This is the same 4, 3, 2, 1. Same 4, 3, 2, change. We go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Until the head turns. We're here a full turn this time. Ta, 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 to left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is the same forward. Ta. Hips the same. We run back, same. And in the pony, we're going to kick it around the world. Ta, 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 ta. 5, 6, 7, 8. Everything else through there is the same all the way through those claps. Awesome. Good. So we have verse 1 and 2, that's the same with just the steps here. Verse 3, we add the cross out in the beginning and also the turn. Same for 4, except on verse 4, we have the shake, 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 and we have a big jump. That's in the beginning. And then verse 5, before we get to verse 5, we finish verse 4 with the clap, 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 clap. And we're going to have windmill arms. Arms are going to go up and over to one side, and then up and over to the other side to get ready one more time for our chorus. But if you're in a group class, we're going to start on stage left, over here, and whoever's on the farthest left is going to start the win. And once it gets to you, it's like a wave. It goes, and when it gets in on the right, someone's going to start on the other side. It's going to come down, 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 and you there, and we're going to get ready. By the fifth verse, we're going full out. But at the very end, we have one last thing to learn. I'm going to show it all facing the front, but I just want to show this first. We go arm, 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 jazz hands down, shake, shake, shake. We're going to take that right foot. We're going to cross it over the left. We're going to turn to the front. We're going to pop a knee, and we're going to hit a high V here, palms out, and we're going to hold and pose until the curtain drops, and then we're going to drop the arms nice and strong. Again, arm, arm, up, up, shake, cross that left over right, turn, pop that right leg, and hit. Hold, hold, and down. That's all the choreography to You Can't Stop the Beat. It's a lot, but it repeats. So let's get started and let's get dancing.